Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my mystery bags from FabFitFun. Now these are specifically going to be the spring 2024 mystery bags, and I have a total of 3 bags to share with you guys. So if you're curious to see what's inside of them, keep on watching. So each of these bags cost me $19.99 to purchase. They do ship for free along with my FabFitFun subscription box. So these are technically considered a refill product. And what I mean by that is when you purchase the FabFitFun box, you're able to go through, make your choices, and then at the end of your customization, there's going to be a window that says refill page. And that is where you can add on additional items that will automatically ship with every single subscription box that you have. So every quarter, I not only receive my FabFitFun box, but I also receive 3 mystery bags because I do pay for these every single quarter as a continuing subscription. Now, personally, I think these are hit or miss. I can't tell you, yes, they're always good, or no, they're always terrible. But I do know from experience that these refill bags are a much better deal and have much better products in them than if you add them on or when they do their mystery sales. I've tried all of them, and I just feel like the refill kits or these refill bundles have better items in them than the traditional mystery boxes that FabFitFun offers. So if you are a new member or you want to become a new member to FabFitFun, I do have a discount code down below that's available for all of my subscribers. You can sign up using my link and my code and you'll save 20% off of your first box. You'll be able to customize your box right away, and you can add on these refill mystery bundles also. Here's your first 2. They're pretty big this time around, you guys. Like, I think these are going to be good. So this first bundle is mystery bag number 6. And every mystery bundle that they create will have a tag on it. So if you get mystery bundle number 6, we will have the exact same items. So first item that I have is from smartassandsass.com. This is the cheese board, and it says, "It's so tiny, that's what cheese said." It's a little corny, but it is cute. So this is our little board, and it's going to have a strap up here. It's all sealed and brand new. I do think it's kind of funny that, doesn't this brand have their own subscription box? So it's kind of weird to me that this is I don't know. It's just kind of bizarre because I know I'm pretty sure they have their own subscription box, and somehow their items from their box are now on the FabFitFun website. Strange. Next item in this bag is from, oh my gosh, this brand is always hard to pronounce. I think it's Jouer. Is that right? Jouer? I may have this wrong. It's the overnight conditioning lip mask. It looks like it's a full-size product. This brand does have really good items, so I do approve of this brand. I just can never pronounce their name. But it is also cruelty-free. It's also vegan, and it's an overnight lip mask that you can put on for hydration. And it will also repair your lips. So if you have any cracks or like if you've damaged your lips at all, maybe you bit them or something, then this will help to repair it faster and to give you hydration back. But it is a full-size product, which is awesome. You know, honestly, I think this probably just paid for that whole mystery bag. I think this could be worth $20. But the last item inside of this bundle is from Summer and Rose. It is their Sleep Well Essentials Kit. So there is 1 pillowcase, 1 eye mask, and 1 scrunchie inside of this box. Now, Summer and Rose, my understanding is this is an in-house brand for FabFitFun that they make this brand. They also make all of the products inside of it. Now, our bundle is down below. I love this color. So this is your eye mask, very plushy, and it's all elastic. And then we've also got, we get 2 scrunchies in here. I thought it only came with 1, but there are 2 satin scrunchies. You also get a little toiletry bag here, and then this is going to be your satin pillowcase. I like this one a lot. I like the color, but also these pillowcases are great for your hair. There's a lot of good benefits for it. So I mean, out of the 3 items, believe it or not, this is the one I'm most excited for. Mystery bag number 6, I think is a success. I think this is worth the $20 that I spent on it. I don't think I lost money, and I will use these products. So to me, this is a winner. Let's go with this mystery bag, which this one is bag number 1. Ooh, okay. So mystery bag number 1 has got 3 really large items in it. Okay, first item we're starting with is the Living Proof product. Now, I love Living Proof. It is the only hair care company where I use so many of their products that at this point I should become an ambassador for them, but I'm not. But I highly recommend their products. I use their shampoo, their conditioner. I have got their clarifying shampoo. I've got a thickening mousse. I have a heat protectant. I mean, literally, I'm kind of a junkie for their products. This is their moisture mask, and it cuts down on frizz. So you want to use this maybe once a week, and it's going to give you a deep conditioning treatment for your hair. You will have less frizz afterwards, but it's also going to cut down on any breakage that you might have. And if you're getting like split ends, this should help to stop or reduce that altogether. You can't repair it. Once they're split, they're already split. But this should help to minimize future ones. Also, if you're like me and you don't like silicone in your products, Living Proof does not have any silicone in any of their items. Next up is the XO Sienna Speckled Mugs set of 2. Okay, this could be good. Now, I think, isn't this brand also FabFitFun's? I know you guys told me, and I need to do a better job at remembering. I'm pretty sure that's what you told me, though, is this is also a FabFitFun in-house brand, which kind of makes sense because this is in a lot of things. So this is what it looks like. I love these. So here's our first speckled mug. You can kind of see it on there. This one is all white and it just looks like it has pepper. You know what this looks like? This reminds me when we have gravy and biscuits, this is the gravy and it's got the black pepper, fresh pepper in it. That's what it looks like. I don't know where my brain goes sometimes. I just looked at this and I was like, wow, this looks like pepper and gravy. And it's like, biscuits and gravy. So it is a really cute mug though. I do like it. Honestly, it's making me hungry. I like it so much. The next one that we have is pink. And this also has the little speckles inside of it. But I like these shapes of the mugs as well. Now, let me see. Are these dishwasher safe? Because it better be. Otherwise, yes! Dishwasher and microwave safe for both of these. So, hallelujah, I will 100% use these. And just like that, I already know I made back my money on this bag. Last item in mystery bag number 1 is an office organizing divider. You wouldn't have to use it only in an office, but you could do like pencils and pens and, you know, whatever you want to divide. You've got a divider here for 3 sections. This is just okay to me. I'll be honest with you guys, this stuff is usually pretty easy to find at like dollar stores. It's fairly cheap to buy as well. So in a $20 mystery bag, it's like, okay, this probably only has a value of a few dollars. I'm really thankful that they included the Living Proof because that is definitely the hero of this bag. That product I know is not cheap, but the mugs I love. I think this is just okay. But overall, I think this is a pretty good mystery box. Last mystery bag that I have here today is number 7. So we're gonna open this one up. Again, it's gonna have 3 products inside of it. So every mystery bag that you get from FabFitFun as a refill will have 3 full-size products inside. This one just happens to be extra large. Oh, it's a whiteboard. So this is from XO Sienna again, and it says whiteboard planner with magnets and marker on it. Oh, and it's gold. I like when things are a little bit more chic and trendy and not, this is super cute. I thought this was just gonna be a whiteboard and I was like, okay, maybe put it on the fridge or something like that. This is actually very cute. So it has an all gold frame. It's a black mat and then it's got gold trim around the whiteboard pieces. And then it comes with the marker, the dry erase marker, and 2 magnets along with, and you can plan out your entire week. The constellation is kind of throwing me a little bit in the middle. I'm not quite sure. I don't know why it's there. It's kind of, when I see the constellation, it kind of gives me more of like a teenager vibe, like it would go in their bedroom. I don't know if this is something that I would put in my kitchen. However, I will keep this. So this is Dr. Brandt that we have here. Microdermabrasion. It is a lip scrub product, full size. This is an excellent skincare brand. If you guys are not familiar with this company, I highly recommend you look into it. It will be an exfoliating balm that's going to have 100% natural ingredients in this, and it's going to get rid of flaky lips. It will have sugar crystals that will help to buff away any flakes that you might have. This is gonna go well with that other lip product that we got earlier, because that one was the repair and like the conditioning treatment, but this would allow you to exfoliate before applying that conditioner. Last item that I have in here is Steve Madden. I think we got some glasses, but this is probably very promising that once again, I'm not out any money, that this mystery bag did pay for itself. Oh, and these are cute. So they have a bit of an aviator design to them, but then on the side, they have these chain links, and they're all going to be in this brown color. So it's kind of nice for something different. They're very cute. So these ones have, do they have a name on them? I don't see one anywhere. So I'm not sure the name of this. I know they're Steve Madden, but I'm just not sure which model this is if you were gonna buy it again. Oh, it says Outlook. So the name on this pair is called Outlook if you wanted to look them up, but this is what they look like. Ooh. Okay, so these make everything have kind of an amber haze to it. And it's like, oh, I get desert vibes when I put these on. Now, I don't typically go with aviators, so I will be honest, it looks a little funny. I feel like I'm getting bug eyes right now. Like, I just kind of feel like I look like a bug and I have these giant eyes. But they're very comfortable. I don't think they're bad on. I like the sides a lot. They're just not a style that I'm used to seeing on my face. But in terms of value, I definitely think I made back my money on this mystery bag. So that is everything for my mystery bags from FabFitFun this spring. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think of these. And if you happen to pick up any mystery bags, what did you get in yours? I'd be curious to see if they've got good items out there right now. Based off of what I see here today, I can recommend these and say, yes, add these on. Even if you only want to do one of them, you might get some really nice items out of the deal. But for 20 bucks, I think it's a pretty affordable mystery bag. And don't forget, you can purchase the spring FabFitFun box right now. I've got that link listed down below. And I've also done my first unboxing. But guess what? I have 2 more FabFitFun boxes. So if you would like to see another unboxing of some of the other spring options this season, hit subscribe down below and stay tuned for my future video. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye, guys!